So what's up my people, it's your boy looking girl once again with another update, and today's video is about the project called Good Crypto. So Good Crypto is a project that I have one reason that made me to say, you know what, I'm gonna join this particular project. I'm gonna show you guys to it now, and you guys will do the same with me once you see the reason. So first of all, what you need to do is to make sure you follow them on their Twitter handle. So now let's go over to what's the reason why I said okay, I'm gonna join this particular project. Because if you go over to their followers, they have around 11 followers. The biggest and the first followers you see that they have is this particular project, this particular company called Bybit. You all know Bybit. Anybody that is crypto oriented will know about Bybit. The whole Bybit is following this particular project on their social media handle. That means they are following them on their Twitter handle. This thing only signifies that the project is not here to play, and that is one of the big reasons you guys need to join this particular Good Crypto. But first, before launching, okay, this is my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Gct Crypto. Please let me not just waste your guys' time. All I'm doing here is just a little intro, and I'm also trying to beg you guys to click on the subscribe button like this and subscribe to my channel, just to help the channel grow, and then turn on the bell icon like this. When you are done subscribing to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I drop any good update like this. You guys know I'm dropping something that is going to be helping you guys as it's helping me. Anything that is helping me online, I'm dropping it. I'm even also dropping a free trading signal, both forex and crypto, on my Facebook page. You can check out the description of this channel for you to see my Facebook page. You can join my Facebook page and be one of my followers there to be getting signals from me. And with this, I will say, don't always forget to drop a like on the video just to show appreciation, just like this particular video that I made now. You can watch this video and see the particular airdrop that I said that I made, and I have withdrawn $105 from it. I did a live withdrawal, and you guys can see it in that video. And with this, let's dive into the viewing video. So once you follow the link in the description of this video, or the first comment, anywhere you see the link, just join it. It's going to bring you over to this place, so you will have the right to go ahead and do some researches and know how the project looks. As you can see, this is the interface of their website, and as you can see, it's an AI. It looks like an AI project, so we don't have much to do here, apart from imputing your email address here to join the waitlist. And once you are done entering your email address, click on join waitlist, and it's going to take you over to the next phrases. So it says, hi there, congratulations, you're on the waitlist. What now? Invite friends to complete the action below to move up to the waitlist. Move higher with each friend you refer. Don't forget to verify your email. We have sent you the link. So they say that they have sent us link. Now there are some tasks you need to complete here, like installing the Good Crypto app, following them on Twitter, joining their Telegram channel, subscribing to their YouTube channel, and watch a platform firm demo video on their YouTube channel. So first thing you have to do is to go over to your email and confirm the email that they sent to you. Make sure you are using a valid email so that you will receive this email that they sent to you, and you are going to use it in the future to do more things. So what I have to do now is to click on verify me, and it's going to take me over to my browser, and it's going to do the rest in my browser. And as you can see now, my point is now 665 points, but my position is 7, and on the wait list is 21,488. So you have to do this to watch their platform first demo, subscribe to their YouTube channel, join their Telegram, follow them on Twitter, install the app. So what I have to do now is to click on install the Go Crypto app, and it's going to take me over to my Play Store app for me to download the app. So I think the app is going to be around 14 MB or more. So yes, as you can see, this is it. So what I have to do now is to click on install, and it's going to ask me to confirm the installment. So this is how it's going to be on my Google Play Store. So while watching this video, please, I'm begging you guys, help me reach 5k subscribers before end of this month. I believe you guys can do it. Just drop like and subscribe to the channel. Ask me whatever you want to ask me in the comment section. Please don't forget this. And inside the app, you can see that it's very, very clear that the app is an exchange app, or you can call it wallet or anything. So but this is not the main thing. What we are actually doing here is to join their waitlist for any of the reward they are going to give to their early users. So back to the site, you can see now my points have increased to 670 points, and my position is still 7, while on my wait list is 1,532. Now if you have done the task up to now, you now have two options. The two options is just to follow them on their social media handle and just be getting more information on what to do next or what you need to do next, or go ahead and click on invite friends, then copy your invite link, copy it like this, and then head over to these two particular sites, this particular place that is going to help you get referrals, because that is where I normally get my own referrals apart from Facebook and my WhatsApp group. First is this particular group called any group in Facebook where you can easily share your link and get referrals. All you have to do is to just screenshot the part that Bybit have followed them, just like it's the reason why you guys are now interested in the project. Screenshot it that Bybit is following this project. That means the project is legit, and then paste the invite link, ask them to join your link, join the waitlist from your link, and complete the task. Once someone joins with your list, you will get 5 points, and not just 5 points, you also get upgrade in your waitlist level. So with this, all you have to do is just join this particular group and start sharing your link. Anybody that gets interested is going to sign up under you instantly. And another one, which is one of the best ones to use also, is this particular app called Republic. This app is not just that it's going to be giving you referral, because a lot of people, the majority of people that are here are crypto oriented. They are looking for a way to make money online, and that is one of the reasons they are here, posting content, following people, and all these things. I made a detailed video on YouTube on how to use this particular app to make money, because not just that you are posting anything on this particular social media app, it's also giving you points for interacting with the app. As you can see, I'm currently having 5,278 XP coin, and according to their white paper, you can see it's very, very clear that it says in this particular October that we are in, it says that users are going to be airdropped with RPK token based on their XP balance. And as you can see, I'm currently having 5,278. And this my account balance is just list on what people normally earn from it. So if you want to know how it works, more information on how it works, I made a detailed video on how to use this particular platform. In this particular video you are seeing here, so you can check out the video, watch the video, and see how everything works in the platform, where you can get referrals by posting, and also where you can also get rewarded by also posting in the social media app. All they need is people to interact with their project. And with this, I think I've shared a very, very, very valuable information with you guys, and all I need from you guys is just don't forget to drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. You don't even know what this particular little touch of the like button will do for me as a content creator, giving out valuable information to my audience. And also subscribing to my channel is going a very, very good way for me, because it's helping my brand to grow more. And with this, I say remain profitable, try your best to interact with every project that you look promising, and don't get scammed. My name still remains Viking, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.